doing is aiming for that green buoy out there. It looks like we're on a bit of a sand patch here at the moment, which is sort of exactly what I'm looking for. And the weed just starts about here. So I'll motor up just a bit further to get some of this anchor rope out now. I've used it once and I ended up flipping the kayak with it. So we haven't got a great relationship. Whoop. Sick. But an overcast day, so I want something that's going to stand out. Might do a nuclear chicken. Very original. Very original choice. Don't like that these ones swim, but just going to be sort of almost bottom bashing for them. We were over there just a second ago. Whoa! That was sick. What was that? That was a snook. That's pretty cool. Oh, something bit it. Oh, is that a fish? No. No, it's a snag. Oh, that's a downer. Oh, maybe it is a fish. Maybe it's a really shit fighting fish. Oh, 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 lovely. Come on, come on, come on. That's a good size flatty. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh, wow. What a gorgeous fish. I'm gonna kill it. Ooh. Okay, we're on the boat now. Don't know what to do with it. Probably should have got a bucket or something to put it in, but I wasn't smart enough. I might have to go back into shore with it, I think. Oh, she's come off now. Oh, this is so sketchy. This is so sketchy. Can you like sit there? That would be perfect. Gotcha. Alright, I'm going to put this flathead out of its misery. That. It's a lovely, lovely fish. I want to say yank flathead. Really good with my flaggy species, unfortunately. Look at that. You see how healthy the fish stocks are around here with that belly. Look at that. That'd be a female. Oh, there's a bit of blood there. And yeah, you're just gonna get some really nice fish out of that. Wow, he's huge. Oh, see ya. The weather's changed for the worst. Actually, not really. It's still quite nice out there. Just getting a bit of rain now. Parked up on the beach to do my boat recovery. Fun. I reckon the paddleboard's definitely going to be a viable fishing source. Maybe next time we'll chuck a chair on it, something like that, make it a bit more comfortable. As to my reel, I wasn't holding up really. The drag's not working, and I think it also didn't really like the salt water I gave it, unfortunately. But I'll oil it up and wash it when I get home. Gonna get ready to cook our flathead. So we're cooking floured flathead and panzala salad. This is a great little book here called The Fishmonger's Son, and if you guys like eating good food, great book to pick up. You'll definitely be seeing more recipes out of it. I'm not going to go too detailed into my cooking just because I can't be bothered, but all I'm doing right now is struggling to cut bread. I'm going to roughly chop this bread up and bake it at 150. It's going to be the base for our salad. We're going to chuck in some onion, some tomato, and some basil, a bit of balsamic vinegar, and we should have a pretty nice salad on our hands. Then we're going to flour that flathead. We're going to shallow fry it. We're going to have it on top for a nice bit of lunch. Bear with me as I get all that done. Just for the tomato and onion base, I've chopped them up fine. Didn't think I had to film that. For the fish, we are flouring it. So, oh, that's a sticker. That does not go in there. Oopsie. Just gonna put a bit of lime zest in there. Got my oil on low to medium heat, making a mess with this lime. Lovely. Bit of cracked pepper, a little bit of salt. Give that a mix. Flathead fillets here. Still a few bones in them, but I don't mind eating a bone or two. We're on low. Why are we smoking? We're gonna go to a smaller ting. Go to this ting here. We'll let that cool down a bit before I put fish in there. Prepared for this. Looking a bit sickly, Mr. Basil. Come on, leaves. Let's mix in. Let's work together here. Now, it's not in the recipe, but I love dill. Look at that. All that juice come out. Lovely. What you want to see. Just for presentation purposes. I want these leaves to be on the ground. Now, I'll chuck a few small leaves on. Alright, it might be turned down a little bit too low, I think. So unfortunately, didn't really get the consistency I wanted on the fish. I mean, yeah, it sort of looks like it, but I think my oil temperature wasn't right, and it sort of stuffed the whole thing off. Taste-wise, it's beautiful. Anyway, we're gonna chuck our little bread tings through the top of it. Place them all through nicely. Just a few there. Now, it doesn't say in the recipe, but I got this balsamic vinegar glaze. It'll definitely pair well with it. It's just gotta come out reasonably slowly. Bit of olive oil through there as well. And finally, I don't know how we're going to plate the fish as it's falling apart as we speak. See, that's just not it. It's sort of maybe ruining the dish a little bit for me. Yeah, see, it's sort of ruined the vibe. That's unfortunate. Turned out perfect, unfortunately, but neither am I, so I shouldn't really be complaining. We'll grab a spoonful of everything and give it a go. Yeah, it's alright. See you later. The fish does really pair well with the tomato juice and all that acidy stuff in the bottom. Yeah, it's very nice. Recommend. 10 out of 10. See you later.